Welcome to NIOS Simple and Easy. We will be talking about Home Science Chapter 4, the method of cooking, or in other ways, the kitchen lab, where heat, water, and time transform raw ingredients into powerful fuel.
Why do we cook food? It makes it easier to digest, improves taste and appearance, adds variety to our meals, keeps food safe by killing germs, and helps it last longer. Cooking involves four main elements: water for moist heat methods, air and fire for dry heat, oil for frying, and energy for modern techniques like microwaving. Moist heat methods include steaming, pressure cooking, and stewing. Modern tech like microwaves vibrate molecules to heat food quickly, while solar cooking uses free energy from the sun. For dry heat, we use baking and roasting. Frying methods, which use oil, are divided into shallow frying for items like tikkis and deep frying for dishes like samosas. Let's check your knowledge. Steaming cooks without water contact and preserves the most nutrients. Pressure cooking operates above 100 degrees Celsius. How well do you know your methods? From harnessing sunshine for solar cooking to using direct flames for roasting, every method has a specific purpose. Protect your nutrients. Always wash vegetables before cutting, keep skins on root vegetables, and use a covered pan. Avoid throwing away boiling water and skip baking soda. You can upgrade your food using biological hacks. Sprouting creates new vitamins, fermenting increases nutrient content, and combining different food groups ensures high-quality protein. Final nutrition test. Heat destroys vitamin C, so raw salads often retain more. Also, choose your cooking method wisely. Boiling is often gentler than deep frying.
In summary, follow the proper sequence. Wash, cut, and cook in covered pans. Cooking is the art of combining these elements effectively. Like and subscribe to NIOS. Simple and easy. Hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you.